Welcome to this video about exploring IntelliJ features. After watching this video, you will be able to identify the IntelliJ IDEA community features and explain the categorical view of the IntelliJ IDEA features. Let's consider the case of your organization that needs to create a Java application for the HR department. For developing the application, they want to make use of an environment that will allow them to write, edit, and manage the application with ease. The organization has shortlisted IntelliJ IDEA for this purpose. Before you start using IntelliJ IDEA, you will need to get acquainted with its features. IntelliJ IDEA is a commonly used integrated development environment, IDE developed by JetBrains. The Community Edition is free and open source, making it an excellent choice. It supports various programming languages, with a particular focus on Java. Some of the community features that make IntelliJ IDEA a popular choice are a user-friendly interface, code completion capability, debugging tools, version control integration, refactoring tools, built-in terminal, and plug-in support. Let's explore each of these features in detail. IntelliJ IDEA's interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. When you run the IDE, a clean workspace displays with a menu bar at the top, a project tool window on the left, and an editor in the center. The bottom of the screen contains tabs for different tools, such as the terminal and version control. One of IntelliJ IDEA's important features is its intelligent code completion. IntelliJ suggests possible completions for your code as you type, saving you time and minimizing errors. Debugging is critical for finding and fixing bugs in the code. IntelliJ provides powerful debugging tools that enable you to set breakpoints, step through your code, and inspect variables. IntelliJ IDEA integrates seamlessly with version control systems, such as Git, allowing you to manage code changes, collaborate with others, and maintain project development history. Refactoring tools help restructure existing code without changing its external behavior. IntelliJ provides robust refactoring tools that simplify the process of improving the code's structure and readability. IntelliJ IDEA includes a built-in terminal, allowing you to execute command line tasks directly within the IDE. This feature is especially useful for running scripts and managing project dependencies without leaving the workspace. IntelliJ IDEA supports numerous plugins, allowing you to customize and extend IntelliJ's functionality according to your needs. You can find plugins for additional languages, frameworks, and tools. Next, let's explore a categorical view of key IntelliJ IDEA features. While the features productive development, fast coding, decompiler, search tools, AI-powered tools, and debugging and performance are required for development, version control and collaboration, database and web support, framework support, testing, deployment tools, customization and accessibility, privacy and security, and additions are required for application maintenance. Let's begin with productive development. IntelliJ IDEA uses streamlined tools for efficient coding, reducing routine blockers. IntelliJ IDEA enables fast coding using intelligent code completion with machine learning, live templates for quick insertion of standard code constructs, and language injections for working with multiple languages seamlessly. Its decompiler converts bytecode into readable Java code for debugging. The IntelliJ IDEA search tools help look for classes, symbols, files, and tool windows. These tools allow you to use advanced search options to find files for text strings. IntelliJ IDEA's AI-powered tools include a full-line code completion tool that predicts entire lines of code using deep learning, inline AI prompts that enable context-aware code generation and changes, and an AI assistant that provides integrated AI chat for documentation, naming, commit messages, etc. IntelliJ IDEA's debugger detects bugs with breakpoints, step-throughs, and variable evaluations, and its profiler analyzes application performance with insights into CPU and memory usage. IntelliJ IDEA's version control and collaboration include clone projects, managing branches, and viewing history. Its GitLab and GitHub support involves working with merge requests and pull requests within the IDE. IntelliJ IDEA's database tools help manage SQL queries, connect to live databases, and export data. Its HTTP client sends and receives HTTP requests for web services development. IntelliJ IDEA's framework support consists of JavaScript and related technologies supporting React Vue, Angular, Node.js, etc. IntelliJ IDEA's testing frameworks support JUnit, TestNG, Cucumber, Selenium, etc. Its continuous testing includes auto-restart tests on code changes for real-time feedback. IntelliJ IDEA's deployment tools offer Kubernetes integration and Docker support, while Kubernetes integration manages containerized applications directly from the IDE. Docker support runs and debugs applications in Docker containers. IntelliJ IDEA includes UI customization and plugins. UI customization includes colored headers, themes, and accessibility features, and plugins extend functionality through a vast plug-in ecosystem. IntelliJ IDEA's privacy and security feature entails data control and managing data sharing preferences and settings. IntelliJ IDEA includes the Ultimate and Community Editions. The Ultimate Edition includes comprehensive features, including database tools and advanced framework support, and the Community Edition includes core features focused on Java and Kotlin. In this video, you learned that IntelliJ IDEA is a commonly used integrated development environment, IDE. The Community Edition of IntelliJ IDEA is free and open source and supports various programming languages. Some of the features that make IntelliJ IDEA a popular choice are user-friendly interface, code completion capability, debugging tools, version control integration, refactoring tools, built-in terminal, plug-in support. The key IntelliJ IDEA features for application development include productive development, fast coding, decompiler, search tools, AI-powered tools, debugging and performance. The key IntelliJ IDEA features for application maintenance include version control and collaboration, database and web support, framework support, testing, deployment tools, customization and accessibility, privacy and security, additions,